Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and increase buffs in Evony. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google, Play Store or the App Store and download the application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and increase buffs in Evony. So in Evony, buffs increase your troops' attack, defense and HP, and strong buffs are one of the biggest factors in PvP and boss performance. How you can increase the Evony buffs? Complete academy research, so focus first of all heavily on the military and military advanced research trees. They contain technologies that directly increases ground, ranged, mount and siege attack. Improve your generals, so level up your of course generals in hand and ascend your main generals in the game. Upgrade the general equipment, so equip your PvP generals with high level gear such as the Imperial and Civilization equipment and the Heiress. Also refine your equipment, upgrade Dragon and Spiritual Beasts, develop your Bisons, improve Duty Generals and Consular State, complete Art Hall and Civilization Treasures bonuses, increase your military academy level and work on debuffs too. So your own buffs aren't everything. You have the of course the debuffs which you can of course go and control also, which is pretty good. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.